Hello, my name is Bartek. I am one of product managers working at Coder, and I want to share with you an update of the support of dev container standard. So the first question is, what are dev containers? Dev containers are a definition of perfect working environment or a de facto container in which your project can or should be developed. So they consequently allow the developers who work on a specific project to determine where the project should be developed by other potential developers working on this project. Dev containers are typically stored as a Docker file definition within the repository of the project. Coder has been supporting this dev container standard previously through the incorporation of an additional tool called env-builder. Env-builder was de facto rebuilding the working workspace so that it mimicked the dev container. With this new integration that we are now introducing, we allow the dev containers to be run as the legit containers within the environment. So what needs to happen for the developers to really use this? The template admin needs to define that they want to have this new integration available for a specific workspace. And once this is done, Coder will detect all the dev containers running within a given workspace and will allow the developers to connect both to the parent workspace as well as to the dev container or multiple dev containers configured within the specific project. We also detect the changes in the dev container definition and allow for the developers to rebuild their environment and consequently stay up to date with the definition. So what problems do we solve with this? We solve the problem of compatibility of environments and actually also the effort required to build the environment and to configure env-builder. Env-builder stays as a legacy feature. We will continue to support it. However, we will promote this new dev container integration to be a better solution, much more reliable, requiring much less work in the configuration effort, and also being much more compatible with the environment and with the dev container standard. Thank you.